Student, I am Anamika Srivastava, your drawing teacher. Today we learn about framework from waste material. So
We have need a cardboard or anything thick papers and colorful paper, one green paper for leaves, some newspapers, gum, scissor, color and brush and scale. Firstly, we will make the frame from cardboard. You can use any thick thin paper. Now the mark on this paper for easily cutting. Now we color it of our choice. Now we add the strip from frame size. Now we leave it for dry. Now we have mixed some flower, so we need a colorful paper. And now we fold it and mark the flower shape on it for easier cutting. Now we cut this in flower shape. Flower is ready. Now we put a sequence layer and apply the gum for paste it. This is a flower. Now we have a more flower. All flower is ready. Now we have need a leaves, so we use a green paper and fold it like and marks the leaf symbol. And cut it like leaves. Our leaf is ready. Now we have many leaves. Now we need a newspaper. I paste a newspaper from all sides. It can't be open. And mark on it a flower strip like this. Now I want to color it. Now cut it. Now flower strip is ready. We have only pasted it. This is a frame. Now we apply the gum on it and paste it. Now we paste the flower on it. Now we apply the leaves. We can add pearls in our flower for attractive. It's very pretty. You can hang it anywhere in your house. It will beautify your home. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.